Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the latest update from the Human Resource Management and Development Division of the Ghana Education Service regarding the necessary attachment documents for GES Transfer/reposting processing. With the recent release of GES's 2024-2025 Inter-Regional and Intra District Transfers/Repostings, HRMD has issued a notice outlining the essential documents required to accompany assurance letters before submission. According to HRMD, all assurances/releases must be accompanied by the following attachments. 1. Personal application letter. 2. First appointment letter. 3. Last promotion letter. 4. Bank clearance letter. 5. Certificates, photocopy. 6. Current payslip. 7. Personal record form. 8. Recommendation letter from district/director/headmaster. It's crucial to note that all letters and attachments should be prepared in triplicate, with 2 copies submitted to the region. That's all for today's update on the GES transfer/reposting process. Make sure to gather all the required documents for a smooth processing experience. Stay tuned to our channel for more educational updates and news from around Ghana. Thanks for watching.